If you've ever found yourself struggling with bright screens, especially in low light environments, activating dark mode can make a huge difference for your eyes. It not only eases the strain, but can offer a sleeker and more comfortable viewing experience. Plus, it can be a real lifesaver when you use your calendar extensively late at night or early in the morning. Now, the first step on this journey is to head over to Google Calendar. This is super simple. Open your favorite web browser and enter calendar.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into the Google account where you manage your calendar activities. You should be on the main calendar view at this point, usually featuring the monthly overview. From here, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon which serves as the gateway to your settings. This iconic little tool is typically nestled among other options like your profile picture and notification bell. Go ahead and click on that. It's your ticket to unlocking all of the personalization and feature settings Google Calendar has to offer. Once you've clicked the settings gear, a drop-down menu will appear. What you're looking for here is an option labeled Settings, so click on that. This action is going to open a new page dedicated to your calendar settings. It may feel a bit overwhelming at first because it contains a lengthy list of different settings for various personalization and functionalities. Rest assured though, we're only here for one specific thing today. In these settings, find the section that says Appearance. It might take a little scanning through the list, but keep focused on the task at hand. The Appearance section is where you can control the look and feel of your calendar, and that includes toggling dark mode. As soon as you locate it, go ahead and click on Appearance. Next, you'll see a range of options, but your eyes should focus on the one we've been leading up to. There should be an option for dark under theme choices. Click on Dark to enable dark mode. You'll immediately notice a change as your calendar will transform from a bright white layout to soothing dark tones. Your events, dates, and appointments remain perfectly visible, but now appear against this eye-friendly, darker background. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on your Google Calendar for the web, making your online scheduling a more visually comfortable experience. Over time, this change can make a significant difference in how you interact with your calendar, especially if you spend late hours planning or reviewing your schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was as straightforward as it sounds. Feel free to explore more settings to tailor your experience even further. Enjoy your new sleeker look.